Bigfoot,
quantum theory,
aliens,
implants,
UFOs,
and in black,
and cryptids, all of which will be topics for the uncharted rabbit holes that will be explored this weekend here at Cole Auditorium for the inaugural Encounterquest. The event kicks off at 10 a.m. on Saturday, April the 1st, and has a full day schedule of events with speakers that are coming from all over and are well known in this world, and a wide range of vendors that will be where we are standing right now.
Yeah, one of these speakers is Ron Moorhead, who recorded the Sierra Sounds back in 1972. And following him will be Scott Nelson, a retired Navy cryptolinguist who actually analyzed those sounds and determined that they were language. Also, Kenny Irish, a crypto-punkologist, will be discussing dogman sightings around the country.
So make sure you are here this Saturday at 10 a.m. Tickets are available at the door and are also available right now on the website Encounterquest. You can see more information on Facebook, their website, or on our Facebook and on Richmond Observer. And the final act of the 2022-2023 Performing Arts Series here at Cole Auditorium will be on Tuesday the 4th, starting at 7:30 p.m. with the Motons and Jerseys. Tickets are still available. They can be purchased here at the box office, online, you can call, or show up the night of and hope you get a good seat. On Friday, March 31st, there will be a test and tune at Rockingham Dragway. Jonathan Robinson will be at Hudson Brothers. They will have karaoke at Double Vision. In Hamlet at Hail Mary's, they will have their specials along with the lounge at Godfathers in Rockingham. On Saturday the 1st, in addition to Encounterquest here at Cole Auditorium, there will be a meet and greet with the new owners at Rockingham Dragway and also a bracket race. Ideal Farms in Hamlet will have their vintage flea market from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then that evening, DJ Roy G will be at Double Vision. Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet will have Bowtie Karaoke. And in Rockingham at the Lounge at Godfathers, they will have their specials. Also on Tuesday, April the 4th, the Richmond County Wild Foods Cooking Contest will be in Ellerby at the Sandhills Rod and Gun Club from 6 to 7 p.m. Along with all of these options, Bisque in Hamlet has a few fun events planned. Friday night, they have a candle holder making class, and on Saturday, they will have a game night. You can see their Facebook for more information. For more information on all of these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com, where you can find our Google Calendar. Also follow us on Facebook, visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit Richmond County NC. And we hope to see you this weekend along with lots of guests coming to Richmond County here at Cole Auditorium. See you next week.